Hi people, this is Nettie again. I want to show you. When I first showed it, it was like kind of pale. It's still a little pale here and here, but it's starting to get better. I see the topping. I thought I was going to lose this topping, but no, it's starting to show new leaves, and I think it's going to make it. As you can see down here, it has baby leaves coming out, and they're coming out greener. As you can see there too. You see this side is pale, but the other side that is growing is green. So I am very happy that I did buy it. I thought that I wasted like $2 on this, and it actually didn't have nothing. And it worried me, but I said, well, if I don't try it, if I don't become Dr. Nettie, I wasn't gonna be able to do this, right? So as you can see, tell me if I'm Dr. Nettie or not. Look at this. This is my pepper. All the peppers died except this one, and I got to save this one. So I almost believe I'm a doctor. Let me stop. So I just want to say this, that if you see a plant that is a little sick, don't give up on it. Just try to see how you could help it out. Sometimes when you get too long with plants, you get to see what they really want. Like if you put it, like what happened with my I call this is my orchids. They don't look like pretty good, but comparing to how it was, look how many babies they got there. Comparing to how it was, I only had this big one, and that's about it. They told me to take it outside. I did, and it didn't work. So I ran, put it back where she loves it, and now she's blooming again. She's blooming new plants. So that's another success of mine. The other success is that my mint. The mint over there is the original one, and it was dying, and I was able to save a piece. And that piece is this giant thing. And it was giant, it was even bigger, because that, you see the root coming down here? It used to go all the way down here. And I started cutting it, and I started putting it in here. Look how beautiful it's getting. So, the thing is that we have to try to save them and see if how we could do it better, Here goes, I know a long time you haven't seen this one. This is my, how you call it, my bush peas, I think it is, well, they say bush beans, but they're really peas. So they're from the same family anyway, so bush beans. And look how beautiful it's getting. I can't wait for it to start growing, to start giving me something. Look at that, how beautiful. So waiting for it to get better, to get the beans. And if I could, since there's a lot of them there, as you can see, if I could get some beans from here, I could say bye-bye to the beans also. Well, at least the pigeon peas. So that's all for now. God bless you all until next time. And the next time, I'm going to show you the problem I have with the garlic and how I am trying to solve it. There goes Dr. Nettie. God bless you all. Bye-bye.